Whoa, that's not good.
Oh, I don't need this. I'm already late.
Somebody will come. Anybody out there?
Do you have a phone?
No. Sorry. Somebody! Hello? There are two people stuck on an escalator and we need help. Now, would somebody please do something? I don't believe this. You gotta be kidding me.
I'm gonna cry.
Well, there's not enough left to do, is there?
Hey, so what does that little video have to do with low-rate mortgages? Didn't you just want to yell, move it? You know, you would think that people would know better, but you know, it's strangely reminiscent of how we Americans often get caught up in playing follow the neighbor. You know, if we look back over the past several years, we've gone from gas-guzzling SUVs to energy-efficient vehicles. We've come and gone from Krispy Kremes and Cold Stone to the low-carb phase. You know, we were encouraged to pull all of our equity out of our homes, and many of us did. But instead of investing it wisely, we're driving it or at the lake with it on the weekends. And many of us also leveraged ourselves into high-cost homes that we really couldn't afford. The exact opposite of our grandparents, whose mission it was to own their home free and clear. You know, when and why did we decide to change directions? Well, I can tell you this, it's time we quit playing follow the leader and pay more attention to what's going on in our own home. Let me ask you, do you have a long-term financial strategy for home ownership? Listen, if you have a home loan, you're shopping for a home loan, or looking to refinance, I'm here to tell you that there are far more important factors to consider than just rate and payment. You know, if you can hang in there with me for a couple of minutes, I might be able to give you some insight that could end up saving you hundreds of thousands of dollars in mortgage interest. First, let me pose a couple of questions for you. Do you and your lender have the same goals? No, you don't. What's good for you is paying your loan off as inexpensively and rapidly as possible. What's good for the lender is the exact opposite. Hey, they want to earn as much interest as possible for as long as possible. That's why they're doing really well. You know, do you believe in statistics? Because you should. You know, our world is run by statistics. Look at any sport, statistics play a huge role. What about the world of finance? Statistics and trends give savvy investors a huge edge. You know, believe it or not, there are statistics and strategies that you need to consider as part of home ownership. You know, are you sure that you understand amortization? Not understanding amortization and the statistics tied to it will likely keep you trapped in what we call the cycle of mortgage debt. I can promise you one thing. You know, it's not what you know that gets you in trouble. It's what you think you know that's not so that'll ruin you. You know, I would challenge you to come and visit us and find out more about not only me, but more importantly, discover the strategies and secrets that the banks would rather you didn't know. You know, please come visit us at www.banksmartnow.com. I look forward to sharing and talking with you soon. Go out and make it a great day.